So you spent weeks preparing the application, gathering all the documents that you need, and getting your application ready to file, and you've submitted that to immigration. Now what? After the application has been filed, you should receive a receipt notice from immigration in about 2 to 3 weeks. The receipt notice will confirm that immigration has your application, that the fees have been received, and it'll provide you with a case number so that you can monitor the case online. There's a couple of ways you can do that. One is you can go to the USCIS website and type in your receipt number. The second option is to create a My USCIS account where you can add your case to your portal. So once the receipt notice has come in, there's a couple of things that happen after that point, depending on the type of application. If your application requires biometrics, usually about a week or two after the receipt notice, you're going to receive a biometrics appointment notice. So one thing to note is that your biometrics appointment notice is not an interview. You're going to show up, they're going to capture your photo, take your fingerprints, and that's it. The silence is normal. If you haven't heard anything, that just means that your case is in process. But depending on processing time, this wait will vary. For some cases, you might have a decision in a couple of months. Other cases take 7 to 12 months, and some even longer than that. If no additional documents are needed, or if the response to a request has been submitted, the next thing that will happen will be adjudication of the application. This will either be an approval or a denial. If you receive an interview notice, it'll have a day and time for that interview, and usually there's about a month lead time so that you can prepare with your attorney and gather the required documents. Normally, you see adjudication of the application soon after the interview. Please subscribe to my channel for additional helpful information, and good luck on your journey.